Circulatory and respiratory systems test. Number 1. This is step 1 for the steps that take place during respiration. Number 2. This is step 2 for the steps that take place during respiration. Number 3. This is step 3 for the steps that take place during respiration. Number 4. This is step 4 for the steps that take place during respiration. Number 5. This is step 5 for the steps that take place during respiration. Number 6. This is step 6 for the steps that take place during respiration. Number 7. This is step 7 for the steps that take place during respiration. Number 8. Your right lung is divided into blank lobes and your left lung is divided into blank lobes. 3 and 3, 4 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 2. Number 9. The liquid part of the blood is called blank. Platelets, red blood cells, plasma, white blood cells. Number 10. Blank carry oxygen to the cells in the body. Platelets, red blood cells, plasma, white blood cells. Number 11. Blank protect you from germs, fight infections. Platelets, red blood cells, plasma, white blood cells. Number 12. Blank stop a cut from bleeding. Platelets, red blood cells, plasma, white blood cells. Number 13. The parts of the circulatory system are blank, blank, and blank. Choose 3. Pharynx, blood, lungs, heart, larynx, trachea, blood vessels. Number 14. The blank is a protective covering which keeps the heart from rubbing against your lungs and chest wall. Pericardium, valves, diaphragm, lungs. For numbers 15 through 22, you will use the heart diagram to label the parts of the heart. For numbers 23 through 30, you will use the respiratory diagram to label the parts of the respiratory system. Number 31. The blood that comes into the right atrium is carrying blank. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, nothing. Number 32. The blood that enters the heart through the left atrium is carrying blank. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, methane, nothing. Number 33. Using the heart diagram, the path that the blood takes from the body through the heart to the lungs is blank. Pulmonary artery, left ventricle, left atrium, pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins, left atrium, left ventricle, aorta. Vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, pulmonary artery. vena cava, left atrium, left ventricle, pulmonary vein. Number 34. Using the heart diagram, the path that the blood takes from the lungs through the heart to the body is blank. Pulmonary artery, left ventricle, left atrium, pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins, left atrium, left ventricle, aorta. Vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, pulmonary artery. Vena cava, left atrium, left ventricle, pulmonary vein. Number 35. The purpose of the valves in the circulatory system is blank. Keep blood flowing one way in the heart. Pump blood in the heart. Push the blood out of the chambers of the heart. Put oxygen into the blood.